Hello Pinewood families, we're here to show you a short tutorial on how to use snap words that come home with your children. So you will get the snap words, we'll probably send home about 10 at a time, and on the back there will be directions. We're going to give you a couple of examples, but you'll read the directions to yourself and then make sure that your child can see the card, and you will do the motions together with the sentence that is in quotations. You'll read that out loud as well. Our first word is as. As. They waved as they rode by. Our next word is that. That.
He went that way.
Our next word is with. With.
I'll go with you.